What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my trading mindset. I'm trying to get into this trade right now, but I'm trying to see if I can get this price lower. And if I can get it lower so I can make more profit on it. Alright, yeah. Let's just jump in now. There it goes. Just went to open orders. Alright, now I gotta be at 1.3077, which is right here. There. Wow. I could jump. Oh, 28 seconds left, but yeah. Just gotta be above that yellow line. 20 seconds left. And it's spiking down, but I'm confident that it's gonna stay above that yellow line. 10 seconds. Alright, there we go. Jumped up to 318. I believe that was about $70 profit. Trading in less than, I think that was less than 2 minutes. I got in almost like the last minute or so, but if you want to trade like me, visit my trading mindset, and you too can be trading like me. Alright guys, y'all have a good one.